ChM, producer of implants and instruments for traumatology and orthopedics. The ChM company has been operating on the market continuously since 1981. It is located in the northeastern part of Poland in the ecologically clean area of the European Union. ChM designs, manufactures and distributes system solutions for traumatology and orthopedics in cooperation with medical professionals around the world. Trauma interventions have specific character. These are mostly unplanned procedures which place very high requirements on the medical sector. It is our ambition to meet these needs. Always with patients' well-being in mind, both we and our partners deliver excellent service. We supply high-quality products together with professional training to medical personnel. ChM has been founded by Mikołaj Hekiewicz. After 35 years of business activity and thousands of carried-out surgeries, I can say that the ChM reliable approach has given us the position of credible partner, and our business associates can rely on us. The safety and comfort of the surgeon's work, as well as the quick patient's recovery, are our priorities. That is why ChM employees are fully committed to providing the products of the highest quality.
Our implant quality is based on design and innovative technology.
Our products are manufactured in a modern machine park.
The quality of our implants and instruments is controlled precisely and in detail. We are proud of our accredited laboratories.
Thanks to our experience as well as long-term cooperation with surgeons, we are well aware of the medical sector needs. This is why we constantly improve our implants and instruments for traumatology and orthopedics. This is what makes ChM company a major player in the industry.
Our engineers develop implants and instruments to ensure both the effectiveness of the treatment and the comfort of the surgeon work and medical personnel in the operating room.
We cooperate with distributors around the world, proactively responding to their needs. We support each other because we are aware of the fact that we share the same goal. The result of this cooperation are thousands of cured patients on all continents. We provide the necessary reliability in medicine. We seek new solutions by creating innovative technologies. Our starting point are patient needs. In cooperation with healthcare professionals and business partners, we create many medical innovations. We offer our solutions globally. And thanks to knowledge and engagement of our employees, proactive service and individual approach are very valued by our customers. The ChM's aim is to meet the expectations of modern traumatology and orthopedics, as well as to follow the trends of world medicine. By commitment, ChM stands. Young people can return to their passions, and older people live their lives together with their relatives. We are proud to be a part of the restoration process in patients' physical fitness. ChM.